Good day, Sister VegaNata here. Today officially marks the first day of summer. I went to the farmer's market yesterday and I was able to come up with some summer items that are in season, specifically summer squash. We'll be making a zucchini dish today. Let's get started. We're going to start with 3 medium zucchini squash that are freshly washed. Then we're going to cut off each of the ends of each of the zucchini squash in preparation for slicing. Next, we're going to slice our zucchini squash using a food processor. We're going to add and use the slicing attachment into the food processor. Close the food processor and turn it on. Feed each zucchini squash into the food processor to slice. I'm going to add some onions and mushrooms to our zucchini dish. I'm going to use about 1/4 of a large onion and slice and dice the onion. And then portobello mushrooms, I'm going to slice them to add flavor and heartiness to our zucchini dish. Now I'll begin to cook by first turning on the stove top to a medium heat. I will add about a tablespoon of oil. You can use olive oil or coconut oil or avocado oil to the pan and let that get hot. Once it's hot, I will first add the sliced and diced onions to the pan and then let them cook until they're translucent. Add your zucchini slices to your pan. Stir them to mix in with the onions. Then add your sliced mushrooms to the pan. Then stir all together. Add 1/2 cup of water to your pan. Stir all together. And then you're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes. Your zucchini will begin to saute and soften. While boiling and partially done, add 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using a garlic press. Once the garlic is in the pan, stir all together. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt and sprinkle in some pepper and stir that all in together. Once the water has boiled out of the pan, you can turn your stovetop off and plate your zucchini dish. Let's try it out, shall we? Very good flavor with the garlic and the onions. I even added some parsley. It's very delicious. I hope you found this simple and easy. Try it out. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe, like, and share. In the meantime, bon appetit. Take care and God bless.